Hey, Alex. You look deep in thought. What's on your mind?
Hi, ma'am, I wanted to post my opinion online about a new policy, but I am scared someone might get mad. Do I even have the right to speak up?
That's a great question. Yes, you do. It's called freedom of speech, a right protected by the Constitution. Freedom of speech means you can express your thoughts, beliefs, and opinions, whether it's through words, writing, art, or protest, without fear of punishment.
So I can criticize a policy or share my ideas, even if others disagree?
Exactly. As long as it's truthful, respectful, and not inciting violence or hate, your voice matters. Freedom of speech protects democracy. It allows people to speak up for justice, ask questions, and demand change.
So speaking up isn't just a right, it's a responsibility.
Ang freedom of speech ay isang karapatang pantao na kinikilala ng saligang batas ng Pilipinas na nagsasaad. No law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, of expression, or of the press. Scope ng freedom of speech sa Pilipinas, 1. Karapatang magsalita ng opinyon o paniniwala pwedeng magpahayag ng saloobin, pananampalataya, political opinion, kritisismo, etc. Halimbawa, pwedeng magpuna ng gobyerno, batas, o pulisya. 2. Karapatan sa malayang pamamahayag protektado ang mga mamamahayag. Pwedeng maglabas ng balita, komentaryo, o analisis kahit laban sa gobyerno. 3. Artistic at symbolic expression kasamang sining, tula, anta, murals, protest placards, satire, etc. Right to receive information, hindi lang pagsasalita. Kasama rin ang karapatang makinig o makaalam ng impormasyon. Limitations ng freedom of speech, hindi ito absolute. May mga limitasyon para protektahan ang ibang karapatan at interes tulad ng 1. Libel o paninirang puri, bawal ang pagsisinungaling na makakasira sa reputasyon ng iba. Covered sa Revised Penal Code, Art. 353 tandang bawas 362 at Cybercrime Law. 2. Obscenity o malalaswang pananalita. Hindi protektado ang pornografiya o mga bastos na bagay na wala namang artistic or political value. 3. Inciting to violence, sedition, bawal ang pag-udyok ng karahasan o rebellion laban sa gobyerno. 4. Fake news, disinformation, kapag sinadyang magpakalat na mali at nakakasirang impormasyon. 5. Threats o harassment, bawal ang pananakot, pang-insulto, o cyberbullying. Konklusyon, may malawak kang karapatan magsalita, pero may pananagutan ka rin. Kapag ang salita mo ay opinyon at may basihan, katumbas equals protektado. Paninira, panloloko, o pananakit, katumbas equals may legal consequence.